Hi, this is Neil with just a couple of updates for your back office. One of the things I love about the system is this website section. Now, if you click on the word websites, there's all these wonderful lead capture pages that you can select and use for your marketing. You don't have to swap any videos. You don't have to change background pics. You don't have to change the copy. You don't have to do anything. You can just select it and use it. But I know there's a lot of people that like to make edits. They like to tailor them. They like to swap the videos in the background. They like to swap the videos inside the lead capture page. They like to swap the background pics. Well, up until recently, we were kind of making everybody go into the source code to do that. We've made a lot of upgrades. A lot of things are a lot easier to use now. So the first thing I want to point out is that whenever you're going to copy one of these pages, the background pick is easily, I mean, you can swap this background pick with one click now. And I'm going to show you like all these pages now, all these lead capture pages. As I scroll down, you know, not the ones with the video in the background, but all the ones that don't have the video in the background, like even this one here, number 14, has a picture in the background. PLS Hangouts, the sales pages. This one here, sales page free lead system video. All of these now have this wonderful step as you're setting up the page that allows you to edit the background pic. So I'm going to show you that really quick. Hover over websites, hover over web pages, and then click on copy web pages. All right, so one more time, hover over websites, hover over web pages, then click on copy web pages. And I'm just going to select one of these here. I'm going to copy that page right here. I'm going to scroll all the way down, click make me a copy, and without going through the steps, I'm going to skip right here to where it says edit background. And you'll notice that all you have to do is just click on a background image and you can swap that image with one click. So that makes it very simple and very easy. Okay, so if I want to review what I did, I can just click on that. And it's just that simple. Okay, now, as you know, as a lot of people are now creating sales funnels and sharing web pages, it's very important that you know how to swap a video that's inside a lead capture page. So I'm going to click on websites, and I'm not talking about the video in the background, okay? What I'm talking about right now is not the video in the background. I'm talking about swapping a video that is inside a lead capture page, like this one here, or a video inside a sales page, like, you know, this Hangout. Do you know how to swap a video that's your Hangout page here? Let's say that you created your own Hangout. Do you know how to take that video YouTube code and swap it so it's no longer the Hangout we did, but it's your Hangout, or it's your YouTube video, or any YouTube video? If you don't know how to do that, okay, you need to go inside the training area. And again, this is only if you want to. You know, you don't have to do this, but if you're creating pages, you're definitely going to want to know how to do this. So I'm inside the training area. I'm going to click on System Videos, and I scroll almost to the bottom, and next, almost near the bottom, second one down from the bottom, it says how to swap a lead capture or sales page video. Just click on that. It's a short 3.5 minute video, 3.5 minute video that will show you exactly how to swap a lead capture page video or a sales page video. Okay, so finally here, I'm in the website section, and one of the things that I wanted to point out too is we've got these lead capture pages with video in the background. All right, so this is different. This is actually a video in the background. So we've actually made the programming for you to make this a simple swap. Very, very simple. So let me show you what I mean. I'm going to copy one of these pages that has a video in the background. So I'm going to hover over websites, hover over web pages, click on copy web pages, and I'm going to scroll down and pick this one right here, any company lead capture page number 12. Alright, so I'm going to scroll down and click make me a copy, and I'm going to skip to the step where it says edit background, and look at this. With one click you can swap the video that goes in the background. We've made that really simple and really easy to do. But here's one other thing I wanted to point out. Right below that, see it says use your own YouTube video. If you click right here, all you have to do is paste the 11-character code from whatever YouTube video that you want to use. Now Michael pointed out a video to me the other day that was really cool, and I'll go find that. I actually put it in the training area. So if you come to the training area, what you're going to do is you're going to click on topics, and he found a video on YouTube, like kind of a vacation set background, and again I'm in the topics section, and I just put this code right here. It's called vacation video background code. I'm just going to click on that. I'm going to highlight over it and copy it, and I'm going to come back, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to just paste that right here, and I'm going to submit that, and with one click there I've now got, as you can see, that's really beautiful. It's got some different pan shots. Now keep in mind we're pulling this from someone else's YouTube account. It's public domain, but I've never seen an ad pop up, and obviously if this particular person was to take this video down, that would be gone. I don't foresee that happening, but I just want to put that little disclaimer out there. So if you do decide to use it, you just might want to check it every once in a while. I don't think there's going to be any problems, but if I find that the video is down or any problems or anything, I'll remove that code. But there you go. It's right there in the training area. So again, copying web pages is very, very simple. And one of the final things that I wanted to show is we've done some programming that I think you're really, really going to love. And let me show you what I mean. I'm going to copy a I'm going to hover over websites, hover over web pages, click on copy web pages. Now for those of you that have been copying web pages, you may have noticed that whenever you have a form with a first and last name field, whenever you've tried to copy one of those types of pages, I'm going to click on edit text. You may have noticed that the first name field and the email field have been slightly off-centered. You also may have noticed that when you've tried to edit and make certain edits around this point, that you inadvertently caused an error in the coding. Okay, well we've removed all that. We've made everything a lot easier and a lot more error-proof. So this is going to apply and be really applicable to those people that have noticed this off-centeredness here and have made some mistakes on, hey, I tried to edit my page and now when I try to opt in, it's asking me for the phone, or it won't let me through because it's telling me it's missing a first name field. You're not going to have those problems anymore. We fixed that. Okay, we coded these a lot better, and you're really going to be happy now with the way you can edit these without risking running into errors, and again having these two form fields line up perfectly. So that's the last thing I wanted to say, and I'll show you, even when I see that they're perfectly lined up, and I made some real tight edits right inside there. So as you're creating pages, you're creating funnels and sharing those pages, I think these updates we've done and the ones I've shown you right here are really going to help you make some fantastic changes and really do some things that you want to do. So we've got a lot more coming. Stay tuned. You guys have a great weekend.